Today's talk on diaphragmatic breathing exercise. Hello friends, this is Mansoor. Today I'm going to address few points on how to improve oxygen levels and lung capacity. In the second wave of COVID-19, most of the people around us getting infected with COVID-19 have respiratory symptoms, and the symptoms includes that we should not ignore at any cost. People of all the ages experiencing fever, dry cough, and difficulty in breathing, chest pain, loss of taste should seek immediate medical care or isolate yourself so that infection should not be spread out. So to improve oxygen supply in your body, have a better exercise called diaphragmatic breathing exercise. By doing that, we can improve our oxygen level and lung supply and that lung capacity. So, diaphragm is a large muscle that sits below the lungs. It helps move air in and out of the lungs. When a person inhales, the diaphragm contracts with move down and creating space for the lungs to expand and fill with air. When a person exhales, diaphragm relaxes and moves upward, helping move air out of the lungs. Diaphragmatic breathing is intended to help you use the diaphragm correctly while breathing too. It strengthens the diaphragm and increases the oxygen demand and use less effort and energy to breathe. Now I'll show you how to do this diaphragmatic exercise, breathing exercise. To perform this exercise while sitting in a chair or in a bed or in standing position, sit comfortably with your knees bent and your shoulders and head neck relaxed. Place one hand on your upper chest and other just below your rib cage here. This will allow you to feel your diaphragm move as you breathe. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Breathe in slowly through your nose like this, so that your stomach moves out against your hand and the hand on your chest here remains as still as possible. And breathe out slowly out of your mouth like this. So this is how we have done our first exercise. At first you will probably get tired while doing this exercise, but keep at it because with continued practice, diaphragmatic breathing will become easy and automatic to you. How often should you need to practice this exercise? At first, practice this exercise 5 to 10 minutes, about 3 to 4 times per day. Gradually increase the amount of time you spend doing this exercise. I have one more exercise to tell you. By doing that exercise, you can check your lungs condition as well as your breathing level. So the name called spirometer instrument. By using that instrument, you can measure the volume of air inspired and expired by the lungs. A spirometer also measures the ventilation, the movement of air into and out of the lungs. It is the most common type of breathing test. This test measures how much air you can breathe in and out of your lungs, as well as how easily and fast you can blow the air out of your lungs. So it may also used periodically to measure your lungs condition, whether it's properly working or not. I would suggest you to please buy this. It will help you better breathe. So you may find at your nearest medical shops. So it will help you to breathe better, and it's a good exercise for everybody around us in this COVID-19. It will help you to breathe better. By using this instrument, you can do breathing exercise to check your lung conditions. So this is all what you have to do to perform this exercise and to increase your oxygen levels, to have a good lung capacity. So as we all know that COVID-19 spreads primarily from person to person. Fighting this disease is our joint responsibility. Protect yourself and others by making these simple precautions your new habits. Clean your hands often and cough, sneeze in your bent elbow like this, not on your hands. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth, and please limit social gatherings and time spent in crowded places. Before entering into any public space, please wear masks and clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. So this is all I can say. All you know that. So please share this video as much as you can share, so that others can also get the benefits from this video to improve the oxygen levels. So thank you all.